Hi everybody, it's Lori from Dee's back with another great kit. So this kit will be available at shopdeeslouisville.com. This is just a beautiful metal sign ornament. And I love the detail around the edges with the little trees embossed. And of course it says Merry Christmas. And then we've added this beautiful bow that matches this really well. So quick and easy. In your kit, of course, you're going to receive your sign that says Merry Christmas on it. You're going to get this beautiful pick that has some greenery and a pine cone and a few red berries. And we're going to trim the end of our stem off just a little bit. And like always, we just want to put a little bit of glue on the bottom to seal that paper off. Take our greenery and fluff it up. Perk that stem right up. So this is our ribbons that we're going to use. I love the little tree ribbon because it matched the sign so pretty. So we're going to leave a little tail, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Next, we're going to add in this red ribbon. Leave a little tail up. Again, just twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And we're going to wire this right off. The wire will be included in your kit. So we have our bow made, and we're just going to go in here and add this right to our stem. Going to lay that right on top there and twist that around nice and tight, just like so. And then you can go back in and fluff up. Don't forget to trim those tails and make them pretty. Trim this one. And you have a beautiful little accent bow. And we're just going to wire that right onto the top of that loop. And quick and easy. So check out this kit at shopdeeslouisville.com and stay tuned for more great ideas.